I invited one of my friends over, and he only knows that he's going to be doing a challenge with me. That's not the reason why he's doing the challenge with me. You could say that. But the reason why I'm inviting him is because he has a really hilarious sneeze and laugh. So be sure to check those out. Today we're going to try to do
the sneezing challenge.
So before the video started, me and Phoenix tried to make ourselves sneeze in our own ways. And it didn't come out as we planned.
Fact. Gay!
Alright, well, the first part what we're gonna do is this is tissue that's wrapped up, and I got some black pepper. I licked the top, and then we're gonna like stick it so like when I'm able to put it in my nose, hopefully I sneeze.
All my exes live in Texas.
We are determined to do it.
So after hours and hours of reviewing the clips, waiting for us to sneeze, making ourselves sneeze, we just got frustrated and went straight to the tape.
I got the tape.
Okay, so it's my turn now.
All my exes live in Texas.
Oh,
And Texas is a place I dearly love.
oh, there's like pepper in
Hope you
it.
enjoyed our video for today. Give us a like, comment down below. Right? Like, comment down below.
Think about a video. Tell us what we need that's good and what's bad about it, please. We'll be appreciative.
We'll
Thank
do
you.
more challenges, right?
Yeah, we'll do more challenges.
Depends on Phoenix.
Got a couple go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll see you guys.
Later.